Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you feel like you don't have the time or the space to take a walk, then I have a product that is going to solve that problem for you. It's this portable treadmill from QYDS that is made to fit under your standing desk. So now I can take a walk even while I'm working. I don't even have to leave my office. It's so compact, it easily stores underneath my bed, and I can maneuver it because it has two wheels on one end. So it's very easy to place anywhere I want. I can take a walk while watching my favorite show. It has an anti-slip tread, so you feel very stable on it. It also has legs that elevate it, so you can walk on a slight incline. Also, the fact that it comes completely assembled is great. You just open the package, take it out, and plug it in. You're ready to take a walk. No more making an excuse because the weather is bad outside, it gets dark too early, or I'm stuck in the office. I can just grab my little treadmill, plug it in, and I'm ready to go. It comes with a remote. You just have to put in some batteries. Very easy and simple to operate. It has a plus and minus, a power off, and a pause button. I feel like this is stable and versatile. There's not much to it, but the display is easy to read. Even when it's raining out and I want to get some fresh air, I can take a walk outside on my patio. This is so compact. I feel like it would be very easy to place in a closet, whether you're working in a traditional office or you're working from home. It would be a great addition to any home gym. My husband finds it great as well. It has a 300+ pound capacity, so we both enjoy using it. And that is my point of view.